Hey everybody, it's Matt at Sparkle Farm. This is a new, really old piece of equipment we picked up here for the property. It's a 1980 or 81 1700 Ford with the backhoe that's actually hooked onto the frame, not a 3-point, so it's hard plumbed in. It's a pretty sweet machine. It runs great. Just needs a kind of a big once over on it. Everything operates except for the clutch and one of the brakes. It sat outside too long, and I think the clutch is rusted to the flywheel, so we're going to split this tractor in half. I've never actually done it before. I've seen it done. This is old enough that I feel comfortable in doing it, because parts are still very much available for it. It'll be, I need to figure out exactly which one I need before I order it. But the project for today is we're going to take off the bucket and the backhoe. It looks pretty straightforward, the backhoe anyway. The bucket part, I'm not so sure. I guess we'll figure it out together. Alright, well, let's get some equipment. Alright, so I'm going to get this thing fired up, and we are going to try and take some weight off of it. So this thing, it's old and ugly. This thing starts awesome. That's the whole reason I'm very happy with this machine. It's a slow start, but let's find something to pull that pin out. Alright, so this was through this, but this just, I had to put a kink in it to get it out. Kind of a pain. Alright, now I took apart the quick connects. I've been blastering these for a little over a week because I don't think it's been a decade since they've come apart. A little bit of persuasion, they came apart no problem. So let's try and move this tractor off of it. It should be free. I got one more. Let's get the hammer out of there. Let's move that. Let's get the torch out of there. I got this other pin. And I think that's everything holding it on. Alright, let's drive it away. Okay, that wasn't so bad. That's actually like really nice how easy that came off. We might be keeping this tractor. Yeah, so this is where it mounted. This is that hose. There's that, the other side. And then this here just rests on the bottom, and it's almost like a guide. But yeah, this is a pretty sweet score. That was relatively easy. Man, I don't know what to do with this. This is awesome.